Hey everyone, want to uninstall PowerShell 7 from your Windows computer? Whether you're troubleshooting, reinstalling a newer version, or simply no longer need it, uninstalling PowerShell 7 is quick and straightforward. In this full guide, I'll show you several safe methods to remove PowerShell 7 from Windows 11, so let's get started. First, close every open PowerShell 7 window. Yeah, the application can't be removed while it's still running. The easiest method is through Windows Settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, search for PowerShell 7, click the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall. When Windows asks for confirmation, click Uninstall again. The removal process usually takes only a few seconds. If you originally installed PowerShell 7 using Winget, you can also remove it directly from the command line. Winget uninstall Microsoft PowerShell. Winget automatically removes the installed package and its registration. After uninstalling, verify that PowerShell 7 has been removed. Open the Start menu and search for PowerShell 7. If it no longer appears, the uninstall was successful. Finally, remember that uninstalling PowerShell 7 does not remove Windows PowerShell 5.1. Windows PowerShell is built into Windows and remains available unless you modify the operating system itself. And that's how to uninstall PowerShell 7 on Windows 11. Whether you're reinstalling a newer version or removing it completely, the process is simple using either Windows Settings or Winget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.